Welcome to the $1 Million Challenge, where we have set ourselves a challenge to turn $1,000 into $1 million. Before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's begin. We use TradingView as our trading platform. When you first open TradingView, you can see a very simple chart to which we will be adding my favorite indicators, the Smart System. The Smart System has three components: the Smart Cloud, Smart Trend, and Smart Vision. Now let's begin with month 7. We started off with this buy trade here, and we followed it all the way through, making around $20,000. For our second trade of month 7, we took this sell trade here, and we followed it all the way through and made $10,000. For our third trade, we took this buy trade here, we entered, and we followed it all the way through till the line broke, and we made around $15,000. And for our final trade of the month, we jumped right back into this buy trade, and we followed it all the way through, making around $18,000. A lot of you have been asking about the Smart System that we use in our trading. Here's a short video which will tell you all about the system and where you can get it.
If you're struggling to make money in Forex, you need to try this amazing trading system. I want to share with you today a highly profitable trading system used by banks, institutes, and over 90,000 traders. The Smart System tells you exactly when to buy and to sell. It's easy to follow, and it takes all the stress and worry out of trading. In fact, this is the only trading system you'll ever need. If you want to take your trading to the next level, you need to try the Smart System from smartforextrading.com. Head over to smartforextrading.com to check out the Smart System now.